up at 10:30 on a Tuesday with no breakfast? Life is too hard sometimes. Oh shit! I forgot to make a fucking weather report! Okay, let's go. Oh my god, what? This is the wrong outfit! Brought to you by SlickItUp.com! Okay, guys, let's go. I think I got the right outfit this time. I'm sorry, I know weather report. I was been so busy and crazy. But here we go. We're gonna go look outside and see the damage that has been done by Blizzard 2015. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. What? Where? I don't get it. There's nothing. Where's the goddamn snow? Where? I got up at 10:30 on a Tuesday for no fucking reason. Where's the snow? God damn it! I'm going back to bed naked